Welcome everyone. Today we are looking at implementation of MCP, that is Model Context Protocol. So in front of you we have two open files. One is the example 2.3 Python file. The other one is talk to MCP. So this is our client. This is where we have the client file, we have the server file. The server file includes a set of tool which basically are a bunch of functions that perform mathematical operations, but also in this case I have used Freeform, and what I'm trying to do is open up Freeform and draw a square and have a mathematical calculation typed inside the square, all with the help of the agent without any manual intervention or hard coding, right? So I have a bunch of functions to open Freeform, create a new board in Freeform, um, and type in it, right? Create a square, type in it. Let's have a run through, take a look at the results, and let's see how it is. There it is. Freeform is open. It has created a square. We are seeing the result of the mathematical operation. There you go, right? What is the mathematical operation? It's straightforward. So we are asking the LLM to find the ASCII values of the characters in India, calculate the sum of the exponential, and then display the results, right? Just to show you the flow, right? So we have iterations, right? First the LLM calls string to characters to int. We can see that the parameter it passed is India, that is what we wanted. Then it calls int list to exponential sum. Once it has the results, we open Freeform, create a board in Freeform, create a square in that Freeform board, write the text, and we're just displaying the final results. So yes, this is what we have. The code is present on Git. You can take a look at it, play around with it, and as usual, if you want to contribute, feel free to do so. If you have any questions, do drop me a note. Thank you.